Hey man, it's more Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Peep the freaking chop. X at the back, and welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, we have a Trippy Red merch review. And to be honest, I'm going into this and I'm not expecting anything. I literally do not know how the merch is gonna be. A few of you guys went ahead and notified me, so I had to go ahead and just take a look at it, see if it's something I want to go ahead and cop. But I did hear that a lot of the pieces have already sold out. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. You guys already know how this section goes. I gotta pull out the laptop. But first, smash up that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. But anyways, let's get this video started. Alright, man. Okay, so you guys already know how this goes. I got the laptop, putting it right in my lap. Let me go over here, get the screen recording going. Alright, so you guys should be able to see. Let's go ahead and refresh so y'all can see, because you got some live little animations going, I'm not gonna lie. So let's take a look at this real quick. I ain't gonna play the song because I ain't getting copyrighted. What is that? Oh, what the heck? I'm getting like some 6ix9ine little vibes and all the colors and whatnot. Hey. I guess this is like one of his newer songs or whatnot. Okay. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just sit. This is just the excitement collection that I think we're gonna be going over, but I'm just curious. I wanna see what Shop All says. It's only 11 products? Okay. Alright. So I think we could focus on this side, or should we go back to the main page? Let me see. Give me one second. Got the excitement 4, 8, 11. Alright. So most of the pieces is sold out, basically meaning that y'all vibing with this stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and see. Let's take a look at the hat first. So excitement. Okay, so it's straight. You know what I'm saying? It's a custom pre-order item. Not the 6 weeks to produce and ship. That hat. Alright. I mean, it's straight. This is a regular hat. And I see that they got a bucket hat as well. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. I low-key want to get some more bucket hats. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I really feel like I can pull it off and whatnot. Especially in Houston, bro. It's getting hot. You know what I'm saying? So might as well, I want to up my hat collection. Y'all see that my hair is high, but I plan on getting twists and whatnot. So hopefully after I go ahead and do that, I can rock, hats or whatnot more consistently and whatnot. It's a nice little bucket hat. Alright, so right now it looks like we got some booty shorts for the girls. That's what I said. Go crazy. I mean, if you girls want to go ahead and rock it, go crazy. But see, I like how they did it over here. They got a whole nice little size chart just so you actually know what to expect, know if it's going to fit you or not. A lot of these merchant, a lot of merchandise or artist merchandise, they don't like to add the extra little details to just make it just better for everyone to have an overall better experience by knowing if the piece will actually fit them. Okay, so we have the sweatpants, aka joggers. You already know how I feel with joggers. You don't really catch me rocking joggers or whatnot. So this one is not gonna rank high. I really ain't gonna go with it. But I think with this, I'm only gonna rank my top 5. I feel like that'll be better for you guys. As of right now, I ain't too impressed. I guess maybe we went through more of the stuff for I guess the girls. Got 2 pieces for the girls. Okay, so we got the excitement crop top. I mean, it's nice, cool. Looks like the quality is nice. This says Trippy Red though. I guess there's nothing on the back. Yeah, this is Trippy Red. This is excitement crop top. This excitement is just the font that they're using. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so right here. We got the Trippy Red. Let's see what this. Yeah. So we got Trippy Red 14. What is this for? What is 14? The heck does that mean? Why has he got 14 written all over these girls' bodies? Someone break down what this is all supposed to be. Sometimes when it comes with these artists, bro, I feel like they be trying to do so much of this you know what I'm saying, demonic type of stuff, and I'm just bro, can you relax? Praise the Lord, you know what I'm saying? Raise it, you know what I'm saying? Well, why it gotta be all flames and fire and I don't know. This is what I don't know. So far, let me just, what? Everything's looking like the same. I mean, all the pieces sold out, but so you gotta thank you. I mean, the Trippy Red mask over here. Alright, now we're at the final row. As of right now, if we're ranking stuff, I don't even have a ranking, really. I guess I would have to rank the shirt the highest, maybe a hat. I have no idea. Okay, so we have the same shirt, but this one is in black. I mean, it does look better in black. Would I cop it? Nah, but it definitely does look a whole lot better in black. It has a whole bit of contrast. And in all honesty, for this hoodie to be like something that I will cop, this is how, because I'm not gonna lie, just copying it like this, it's like a no. I kind of would just make it more basic into where like anyone can go ahead and just cop this. So essentially, if I was a designer, I would switch this up. Getting rid of this whole black. Like I'm getting rid of all of this on the back side. I'm gonna get rid of this on the arm. We're gonna move the excitement from the arm to the back. It's just gonna go like horizontal, just across right here maybe. Yeah, excitement just like that. Across the top, and we'll keep the trippy red in the front. For me, that's just something because you know what I'm saying, when you have a lot of loud pieces or like loud designs, I feel like you got to even it out with something that you just know, all right, this is gonna sell just because it's an everyday wear, you know what I mean? Whereas for this, it's just like you kind of was going like that, and it's just like boom, 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 and I'm just like, come on now, relax. Like, you got to give us some pieces that we can all, you know, eat off of, vibe with. The tie-dye color theme, I mean, it's cool. It's a black red dye, but I feel like it starts to throw things off. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like it's hurting my eyes. Because the contrast with the trippy red with this, it's not looking too bright in my opinion. Maybe if there was like a thicker border around, maybe, or maybe even if you got rid of the trippy red excitement and it was just that, the image. I feel like maybe that would be harder. This is my opinions, you guys. You guys remember. It looks like they still got one thing remaining, and it's this. For all sizes, you got the trippy red hoodie. Like I said, for this one, you really got to switch something. I don't know what, because this tie-dye is supposed to be the red, the black red dye. It's looking gray. I don't know if this is off my screen. Definitely looking like some type of grayish color. Cause you see, like the girl and his outfit, they have like the jet black, you know, things in contrast with this. So I don't really know. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't really feeling it. Like, you know what I'm saying? If I'm being real, bro, I ain't really feeling it. I'll just go ahead. I'll give you guys my top 3. Ain't no point in really going with a top 5. I really don't have a top 5. I have top 3 though. Okay, I'll go number 1 with the hoodie, but I'm only gonna choose the hoodie just based off of the alterations that I would go for. If they did that, it would definitely be number 1 in a cop for me, in my opinion. Number 2, we're gonna go with the trippy red excitement tee in black, and number 3, we're gonna go with the trippy red excitement tee in white. Okay, guys, so that's gonna wrap up the trippy red merch review. In my opinion, I'm not gonna lie, like, I didn't really expect too much, but then again, it's like I felt like it was like seeing the pieces. I'm just like, okay, it seems like he really, you know, got one little cartoonish drawing, a little animation of him, rolled with it, put it on everything, called it a day. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if he really looked over the merch. I think he probably just gave it to some developers and said, hey, y'all come up with what y'all think is good, because regardless, we're going to be able to sell it and make money. It really doesn't matter to me. You know what I'm saying? That's what I feel like. So in my opinion, would I cop any of the pieces? No. Do I think y'all should go ahead and copy it? If you mess with Trippy Red and if you like the pieces, go ahead and copy it. You know what I mean? You already know, like, you guys already kind of know how I feel about it. I always make sure I get my, honest viewpoints on it. Reselling value, to be honest, I don't really know too much about Trippy Red and his merch and whatnot. If you guys are educated on it, go down below, comment, it'll help inform me on like the resale values of it. I don't really feel like it will go for anything higher, you know what I mean? I feel like maybe $10 more, maybe, but I really don't think this is good for flipping at all, but that's just my opinion. Again, I didn't do my research on that. It's just an assumption. But anyways, guys, that's my opinion on the merch. I really didn't go in expecting anything, so I'm not disappointed, but I'm definitely not impressed. But again, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, smash up that like button, go down below, subscribe if you're new. Like, come on, bro. You watched the whole freaking video and you're still not subscribed? Help me out. Subscribe, bro. Freaking 10K. Let's run up these digits, man. Make sure you go ahead and comment those questions that I asked previously. But anyways, guys, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.